Hey everyone, Yogesh here from Utilize Your Business, and in this video I'm going to be talking about Clickfunnels, their affiliate program. There have been a lot of changes has been done by Clickfunnels, restructuring the affiliates commission, how affiliates can promote their products and what products they can promote. I'm going to explain all that in this video so that you can get started the right way. Welcome back. So when I started with ClickFunnels almost 3 years ago, and at that time, in order for you to become an affiliate, you didn't have to either buy any products from ClickFunnels. So all you have to do is just go to what's your dream car and website. Don't worry, there'll be a link below, and you could have signed up as a ClickFunnels affiliates and promote ClickFunnels. Or the other way is if you bought their software, you automatically becomes their ClickFunnels affiliates. But now, about year and a half, they made a lot of changes to their affiliate programs. Now you do have to apply to their affiliate programs, and you do need to fulfill some certain conditions in order for you to get 40% commission. Before it was 40% straight, but now you do need to hit a couple of conditions in order for you to get 40% commission. So on all of their products. So what it is, what are the conditions, and how you need to apply it. This is the video I'm going to show you. So first, when you go to their affiliate sign up page, here you just input your information, and at the start of it, if you're a brand new affiliate, so there's 5 products that you can promote. The first one is their .com secret book, expert secret book, traffic secret just came out, and in addition, you can also promote their one funnel away challenge and 30 days, which is another a book. So those are the only 5 programs that you can promote, and you can get 40% of that. And for one funnel away challenge, I believe you get $100 per sign up. Now, other than that, so if somebody comes in and clicked on your affiliate link and they got a .com secret book, and down the road, or maybe buying upsells through the funnel, they got a ClickFunnels subscription, you only earned 20%. All right, so 20% on the commission of the ClickFunnels subscription, 40% on these 5 products, and 40% on the book, and $100 on one funnel away challenge. So that's what you can do right now when you're just starting with the ClickFunnels affiliates. Now, after that, once you earn $100 in commission in a month, so you earn $1,000. Sorry, you earn $1,000 in a month of commission promoting ClickFunnels products. You can then need to reapply and in order for you to go to the second stage, where you can get 30% monthly recurring commission. And here's the link. You click that and you apply for it. Now the fourth, after that, once you also get 40 active ClickFunnels members who are buying the ClickFunnels software subscriptions monthly, and then you can get 40% commission on all of their products. So now it's a little bit tough than what is used to be before. So let me recap what I've said. So sometimes it's a little bit confusing. So a brand new affiliate first started it, they can get 40% commission on .com secret, expert secret, traffic secret books, and they can get $100 commission on one funnel away challenge, right? So, and when you do that, you get a sticky cookie. So any of these uh, customers who click on your link and end up buying a ClickFunnels subscription, you get 20% commission. Now, once you achieved $1,000 within a month, so you're getting commission of $1,000, you can then reapply to ClickFunnels and your commission will be up to 30%. And I believe you are able to promote a couple of other ClickFunnels product. And then once you achieved to have 40 active ClickFunnels members who are 40 funnel active members for ClickFunnels subscription, then you get a reply. It also says for at least 30 days. So within a month, you should have 40 paying clients. Your commission will increase to 40%, but you need to reapply to get that. Now, on top of that, they also have now different payout platform that you need to get your account set up with it. It's Tipalti. So that's the only way you will get paid on any commission. So you can promote all of this, but if you don't have a account set up with Tipalti, you won't be able to get any commission at all from ClickFunnels. Now, they've changed a lot of ways, and they also are now giving you some sort of rules how to promote ClickFunnels, how you cannot especially the paid ads. They are really coming down hard on it. They're really restricted, so you cannot promote ClickFunnels and bid on keywords if you're doing it on the Google AdWords on ClickFunnels trademark keywords. So just recapping it, so they're talking about traffic secret, one funnel away challenge, .com secret, expert secret, and 30-day summit. Now, my recommendation, if a person who is just starting with ClickFunnels, the easiest way to move from 20% commission to 30% on all of their products, and you're able to promote most of their product, is by promoting one funnel away challenge. All you need is to promote 10 to get 10 people to sign up for the one funnel away challenge, which equals to $1,000 within a month, and you apply it, you can move up to $30, 30%, sorry, 30% commission. Whereas if you're promoting .com secret, expert secret, traffic seekers, all of this book, the front end sale, it's only $1. So it's going to be a little bit harder for you. And then if they get something else and a commission, it's only 20% commission. So it'll be hard. So focus on promoting one funnel away challenge when you're just starting with ClickFunnels, and you'll be able to move up to the second stage. And once you're there, you'll be able to get higher commission and can promote a lot of other products. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to like this video, and if you have any comments, just put in your comments below. And for all the people who are just watching this first time, haven't subscribed to my channel, so subscribe to my channel and hit the notification for the new videos that we come out every week.